Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing some teriyaki style chicken in my conventional air fryer, and I'll also show you stovetop. Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today your girl in the kitchen about to make some teriyaki chicken. So I got some chicken thighs and I cleaned them off, and your girl started to season. A little dash of Himalayan salt, a little hint of black pepper. We all know black pepper doesn't have taste, right? Some garlic powder, lots of ginger. I'll be using the powdered ginger and also the ground ginger. And of course, it's teriyaki. I added a quarter cup of brown sugar and some honey. And of course, your girl bought the store-bought teriyaki sauce, and I sprinkled a little on my chicken with some hoisin. And then your girl will be mixing this thoroughly. It does not require a lot of seasoning. The sauce is what it will be soaking up overnight to get that flavor and taste. When you go on the mall and you buy teriyaki chicken, listen, my teriyaki chicken tastes even better because it's done homemade. And in this video, I will be showing you the conventional way how I did this, and I did this on stovetop, and I added a little soy sauce to this. Rub in the seasoning. Make sure you rub in the seasonings in the chicken. It has a little juice on it, but don't worry. Your girl will be adding a little cornstarch on it because that's a girl's business. And it will help to make my chicken a little bit crispy or to get the color that I want. And your girl rubbing this in again. Sit back, enjoy this while you're eating your dinner. And then finally, to put this down overnight, I added some saran wrap on this, and I'll be storing it in my fridge overnight. Because your girl wanted to, I'll be using air fryer and I'll be doing the stovetop. And I'll tell you at the end which one I preferred. Make sure it's sealed properly, no air going in, and I'm showing you again all that I use. I did not hide anything from you. I did not. Everything you see me using there, that's all I use. Here comes the day and I'm ready. Chicken is smelling up the place, and I'm adding this into my air fryer because that's a girl business. It has lots of juice in it, and I added 4 pieces in it. Then I put this conventional oven on 370 degrees, and I left this for 15 minutes to do on each side. You want your chicken well done. You don't want no bloody chicken. And there you go. One side is complete. Look at this. Look at this. Looks better than on the mall or wherever you go to buy teriyaki chicken. No oil was used in this process, and I'll also show you, as I mentioned, I'll show you the stovetop style. Well done chicken. And of course, once your girl unloaded, I added additional chicken thighs into my oven again. And listen, And yes, your girl making a pot of veggies. I did some carrots, some bok choy, green beans, carrots, cauliflower, and some pasta mixed in together. I do have a video on my channel on how I prep that. So here your girl added a little avocado oil, and I added 2 strips of chicken thighs on the stovetop. Once I turn them over, I'm showing you what they look like. Then it's time to make my sauce. You can cook this down in your sauce, or you can just add this to your sauce. I added some ground ginger, which I grated, and I used some purple onions and some pepper flakes because that's my business. Then I added honey, I added teriyaki sauce, Hoisin sauce to this, and I allowed this to boil. Lots of teriyaki sauce I added to this, and I left it to boil. Then I added a little granulated sugar because teriyaki chicken has a little sweet taste to it, or a tangy. So I used brown sugar when I was seasoning this, and then I added white granulated sugar in this, and then I added a little chicken broth to this to cook up. And I will be adding the ingredients that I used. I will not be giving you measurements. I normally just estimate, and your girl pot is always lit. So please feel free to adjust, but the ingredients that you need to use, I will list them on the screen, and I'll also drop them in the description box. Right here again, I added more teriyaki sauce because it's teriyaki chicken. Don't think that's barbecue sauce. I did not use barbecue sauce, neither ketchup in this video. Teriyaki sauce, I added a little soy sauce, honey, granulated sugar, and Hoisin sauce. And you girls stir this, and allow this to boil. Feel free to chop your chicken up and add it in your sauce. I did not want it that way. I wanted mine to be sprinkled on my chicken, but that is also another way that you can do it. My sauce is ready, and it tasted really good. But let me tell you this, I preferred not the stovetop. Yes, I preferred the conventional oven style instead of the stovetop. Maybe because it was fried in oil, and then that one was not in any oil. You saw me adding that one in the oven to do it. This one was the one on the stovetop. So the one that was done in my air fryer, the conventional oven, is more juicier to me. It has the color I was looking for. The one on the stovetop, no, I did not like it. I don't know if it was my skillet, but I did not like the one that was fried. So the air fryer one, I gave it a 10. The one done on the stovetop, I'll give it probably a 7 because it was fried. If you made it this far in the video, it's been a long while. I haven't done a video this long, but I wanted to give the full instructions and for you to see how I did this. Look at me now cutting through my chicken. I tell you, my chicken was juicy. And I just sprinkled my sauce on it. And might I tell you, my family enjoyed this. It was not a lot. It was just like for a night's dinner. but we enjoyed it. I thank you for watching the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe. It's free. If you haven't yet started following me on Facebook, it is free to follow me on Facebook. There's no charge. It's free. And on Facebook, I hold a positive vibes over on Facebook because I'm trying also to grow my Facebook cooking channel. So I will try to go live on that channel. On Facebook, I'm also on TikTok. Run on over and support your girl and let me know what you think about this teriyaki chicken. Would you try it? I tell you, I'm Jamaican, but I try not to stick to just Jamaican culture. I love to try other cultural food. And listen, if you're Japanese, Asian, Chinese, don't come for me. This is my style, Jamaican style teriyaki chicken. And you don't know, your girl have this licked. You know, your girl have this locked. And listen, it's my business. I choose to do this my way. It tasted just like teriyaki chicken. I don't care what you say. If you're Chinese, if you're Japanese, or you're Indian, when you come to my house, just love upon me. Thank you.